Alright, so we are gonna head back to the house taking a walk from the wind farm. You can see all the turbines. The wind turbines are just on the hills that are just green. Really nice. There's a path over there that I might try, but I gotta make dinner. It's already past 16, and I'm just taking a stroll. A stroll back to the house. Yeah, there's a horse over there up ahead. Maybe we can go say hi. And we'll see what's up. We gotta cross that creek again. But yeah, it's really beautiful. All this greenery though is gonna be gone come summertime, which is around December, just because it's gonna get really hot, and then bushfires are gonna be starting, and all the grass is gonna start burning. Which reminds me, I actually need to put some hay somewhere, but we will do that another time. Yeah, let's go see where we're going. Oh, there's a gate. I see the gate. I just hope there's no snakes here. Yep. That's why I have the stick in front of me, just to ward off or scare away some snakes. I don't know what I just stepped on. Oh, it's wood. Yeah, I stepped on an egg today. It was a chicken egg out of nowhere. But yeah, there's a gate, and the house over there is just straight up ahead where that shanty shack is, made out of tin. Anyway, there's this gate, and there's a horse. Let's go say hi to the horse. Alright, I gotta put this up.